Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are up here again. We finished off the rest of the panels on the roof on this side. So the whole front of the house has all of the roof panels on, and then the gable here has the ridge on as well. So what we're working on today is the fascia pieces, that's this portion right here, and the soffit underneath. So we're here on the front end of the gable, and that's what we're going to be working on right now. Putting that in, and that'll just clean up the front of the house. Hopefully we can finish up this over the next day or so on the front side of the house, and then move on to the back side of the house. So don't forget to like the video, smash that like button, and subscribe to the channel, and check out our soffit. So these right here are our soffit pieces. So on this gable end, they don't have to be vented. They are vented on the other overhangs, the 2-foot overhangs that we have in most of the roof. So that's what's venting our attic space. But these pieces here, I'm working on taking the plastic off so that then we can install them right here. So in our soffit. So I'm just working on getting this plastic off before we install them, just because it's not exactly easy to get off once it's installed. So as you can see here, we still have the plastic on the fascia piece. That's because we want to protect it until the last possible moment. So we'll take it off when we're all done with the roof on this side. But for the moment, we're keeping it on to protect it. But since it's difficult to get that off of these soffit pieces, I'm taking them off now so that then we can install them right here. So as you can see, this soffit is made up of multiple parts. So we have this under piece has a little gap right here for the soffit pieces to slide into. This is the back channel that attaches to the wall of the house and then also holds the other end of the soffit. And then this piece of fascia comes over this under piece of fascia. So this piece wraps over in the top, and it's screwed over the rib on the top of the metal panel that's on the roof. And so it makes a nice consistent seam for water. And so this you can see is angled right here, and that's called the drip edge. So the drip edge is so when water runs down here, it forces the water to drop off rather than curling back underneath onto the soffit. So that just helps get water away from the building and off onto the ground. So while my dad's coming up here, he just threw me up, so he has to climb up the ladder to get up here. I'm working on taking these pieces off plastic for him so that they're ready to go. Okay, so as you can see here, we got most of our panels in here on this side, all the way down to that bottom edge over there. And so next we got to get some more butyl tape, because that will go right here where we overlap these exterior fascia pieces. We also have to put some butyl tape along here before we install this exterior top piece that goes all the way up to the peak or the ridge there. So we got to get some more supplies before we can finish out this portion of the fascia, and then we'll move on to that side over there. So making some good progress. Don't have a lot of time left to the day today, so we'll see how far we get.